Unveiling the World, the Magic of Binoculars. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating tool that brings the distant world closer to our eyes: binoculars. These are not just instruments. They are your gateway to witnessing the grandeur of nature, the detail of distant objects, and so much more. Let's dive in and discover the essence of binoculars. Binoculars are a pair of identical telescopes mounted side by side and aligned to point in the same direction, allowing the viewer to use both eyes, binocular vision, when viewing distant objects. They are widely used for various activities such as birdwatching, sports, astronomy, and even in theatrical performances. The power of binoculars lies in their ability to magnify distant objects and bring them into clear, sharp focus. Understanding the parts of binoculars can enhance your usage experience. The main components include the eyepiece, objective lens, focus wheel, and prisms. The eyepiece is where you look through, while the objective lens gathers light from the object you're viewing. The focus wheel adjusts the clarity, and the prisms correct the orientation of the view. Each part plays a vital role in delivering a vivid and upright image to your eyes. Using binoculars is simple but requires a bit of practice. Start by adjusting the barrels to match the distance between your eyes. Look through them and turn the focus wheel until the image is sharp. Remember, the key to a steady view is to hold the binoculars with both hands and rest your elbows on your sides if possible. When selecting binoculars, consider the magnification power and the size of the objective lens. A common specification you might see is 8 by 42. This means the binoculars magnify 8 times and have a 42 mm objective lens. Higher magnification offers closer views but can make steady viewing challenging, while larger lenses enhance brightness but make the binoculars heavier. We hope this video has brought the concept of binoculars into closer focus for you. These remarkable tools can extend your vision and open up a new perspective on the world. So next time you hold a pair of binoculars, remember, you're not just looking. You're connecting with the world in a whole new way. Happy viewing, and see you in the next video.